Hello and welcome to part 4 of the complete platformer tutorial in the Godot game engine. Start by opening the game engine and double-clicking on your game project. As you can see, we have a character that can walk, stop, and jump, complete with animations. In this video we will learn to create a tile map, but before that, let's decrease the scale of our player to 0.8 in the inspector menu, as I feel it is too big. Now let's create a new scene for our tile set. Add a node 2D and name it tile set. You can then save the scene in your scenes folder. Start by adding a sprite and naming as G1 for ground 1. You can then head over to your blue tiles folder and add the first blue tile as a texture. Once that is done, let's add a static body 2D with a rectangular collision, since we want the player to be able to run and jump on it. You can then simply duplicate the node and change the sprite to create a new tile. You can continue to do this for all the other tiles, excluding the slope tiles. Don't worry about positioning or having any repeats. I will now fast forward this bit of the video. Once you are all done, click on Scene, Convert to, and then Tile Set. Save the tile set in your rtiles folder as tileset.tres. We can then go to our main scene and delete our test ground. Instead, we will add a tile map. First, lock this tile map by clicking the lock icon, so that we can only access it by clicking on it in the inspector. In the tile set section, drag and drop the tile set that we just created. As you can see, all the tiles that you created now appear on the side. You can click on any one of them and draw them on the grid using left mouse button, or delete them using right mouse button. I will now start by creating a simple map. You can copy me or create your own, but I will speed up the video here as well. Once you are done, click on play. As you can see, our tile set works perfectly. There is only one small problem: our player appears to sink into the ground, since all our collision shapes for the tiles is equal. You can simply change this by setting the z-index on your tile map to -1, but it's up to you. This will be it for this video. For the next video I will either be adding a basic enemy or background with scrolling, but now I will catch you later. Bye bye.